Watching your daughter get married is one of those moments that's hard to put into words. How do you sum up a lifetime of love and pride in just a few minutes?
From the very beginning, Annissa has been a source of joy in our lives. 1 minute.
Very pretty. I'm just worried about how we're going to hold that up.
And Alex, you balance her so perfectly. Anyone who spends time with you can see how deeply you love, respect, and truly enjoy each other. It's clear you found in each other a best friend for life.
1 minute she was running around the house calling me Papa, and the next she is married and glowing and looking absolutely beautiful.
Today we have come before the Lord God to unite our brother and sister in the holy sacrament of matrimony. We've been preparing for this for quite a while. May the Lord God in His kindness strengthen the consent you've declared before the church and graciously bring to fulfillment His blessings within you. What God had joined together, let no one put asunder. It is now my pleasure to introduce to you Alex and Annissa.
Watching her grow into this remarkable woman has been our greatest privilege. And tonight we see her standing beside the man she loves. We know she has found a partner who cherishes all of those qualities.
It makes me happy to know that you two love each other so much and cherish each other, and she's your problem now.
It is my pleasure to present to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Alex and Annissa Campeon.
Love each other even more. Okay? Salute.
To our parents, thank you for your unconditional love and support. You've guided us, encouraged us, and shaped us into the people we are today. We hope we make you proud.
And finally, to my wife, Annissa, standing beside me today, I'm the luckiest person in the world. Thank you for your tireless work on making this day so magical, and may it just be the first of a lifetime of magical days spent with you as my wife.